The cabin air filter in 2018-2023 Kia Stingers is located behind the passenger side glove box. First, open the glove box completely. You may need to detach the damper cord on the side of the glove box. Then, either pinch the sides of the glove box inward to release the stops, or locate and remove any retaining clips or screws securing the glove box housing. Behind the glove box, you'll find a rectangular plastic cover or panel that houses the cabin air filter. Remove this cover, which might be held in place by clips or screws. With the cover removed, slide the old cabin air filter out. Note the direction of the airflow arrows printed on the side of the filter. You'll need to install the new filter with the arrows pointing in the same direction, usually downwards or inwards. Insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush. Replace the plastic cover and secure it with the clips or screws. Finally, reattach the glove box by reversing the removal process. Ensure the damper cord is connected and the glove box closes properly. Changing your filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles improves air quality and HVAC performance.